just love my feet in these nice, stinky nylons. I've been out all night dancing and I think it's time to take them off. Don't you just wish you could sniff them? My stinky little nylons. I just love taking them off after a long day. Don't you just love to watch me take them off? Unraveling my nice, sweaty, stinky soles. You know what I would really, really like right now? If I had someone to rub lotion all over my soles right now. But since you're not here, I guess I can do it. And while I'm doing it, I really, really want to see you pull your cock out and start jerking your dick for me. Can you do that? Pull that nice cock out and start jerking your dick, just imagining these soles. These stinky soles all over them. All over your cock. Don't you just love my ebony soles? They just really turn you on, don't they? Nice and smooth. Just imagine how that would feel going up and down your nice hard cock. Stroke it just like this. That same motion. Up and down, up and down. Just imagine your cock is right here in between my soles. So smooth and sweaty. So nice. Keep jerking that cock for me. Such a good boy. Such a good listener. Just want you to go up and down a little bit faster for me now. Because when I tell you to come, I want you to come all over my soles, okay? Up and down. Imagine you're feeling every single wrinkle, every crevice on my soles. Just imagine the way it would feel rubbing against my feet. Imagine this is your foot, your dick, and then this is my foot rubbing up and down your cock. And then we're going to go faster. I want you to start jerking it faster. Can you do that for me? Go up and down. Don't you just love my beautiful soles? The way they feel, the way they look, and the way they taste. It's all just amazing. Perfect ebony soles before your eyes. Up and down, up and down. My toes are so long they can grip your cock. Keep jerking that cock for me. And I want you to go a little bit faster now. A little bit faster. Yes. I don't want you to come just yet. I'll tell you when you can come, okay? I'm going to give you a countdown from 10. And then I want you to explode all over my toes and my soles. You ready? Oh, you look like you're about to burst. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at all that cum. Oh my god. Such a good boy. Thank you for having fun with me.